Now students see question number F. Make similar sentences of. First is her voice dash 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 melodious dash dash a nightingale. So we have to make the same sentences that we have done before. Her voice is as melodious as a nightingale. Second, your house is as big as mine. You have to underline these words and you have to write them in the box only. Okay? You don't need to write these sentences separately. Okay? You have to write or you have to fill in the blanks that is given in question number F. Your house is as big as mine. So you have to underline these words. Then third one. My dog dash dash playful dash dash a puppy. My dog is as playful as a puppy. Okay. Then fourth one. The fox is as sly as a jackal. Sly means very cunning. Okay. Fifth one. This box is as heavy as lead. So like this you have to fill in the blanks that is given. The box is given in question number F and you have to just write down the fill in the blanks and also underline them. So now students, we are going to see the next part. We can form negative sentences also like this. I am not as tall as my dad. Okay. So here what I have done, I have used I am not plus as plus adjective plus as my dad. Okay. See the second sentence, we are not as rich as them. So here these two are the negative sentences as we have added not to these two sentences and not as plus adjective plus as. This is the formation of the sentences. We are not as rich as them. Means we have just added not to these sentences. Okay. Now, have you understood this much? So students, now we are moving towards adjectives much oblique many. Now students, there is a lot of confusion between the students when we have to use much and when we have to use many. So, I am just telling you and you have to pay attention very carefully. You have to listen to me very carefully whatever I am telling you students. Which refers to quantity, that is uncountable. Uncountable means that we cannot count. So, much refers to a quantity. It it shows quantity that is uncountable. Okay. Now see the example, her father has earned much money. Her father has earned much money. Much money means uncountable money her father has earned. And so we have used here much money. Okay. So keep in mind that for uncountable things you have to write here much. Okay. Is this clear to you? Now see, many refers to number. Whenever we have to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, that we can say countable. Okay. It is called as countable. Uncountable means that we cannot count. And countable means that we can count them as 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So, many we are using for numbers. They are countable. Now see here, many boys prefer cricket to hockey. Means many of the boys, they prefer cricket to hockey. So, here we can count the boys. So, we have used here many. Many boys. That boys we can count. Okay, so we have used here many boys. And have you understood the difference between two? We are using much for uncountable things or nouns, and we are using many for countable things. Okay, so is this clear to you? Always keep in mind, much is used for uncountable things and many, this adjective is used for countable things. Okay, so let's move further. And as I have told you that little, a little, the little, these are the adjectives of quantity that we are using. So let's see the first one. Little means hardly any. Little means hardly any. It conveys negative sense. Okay. Now see the example. Ria has little chance of success. Ria has little chance of success means there are very few chances of her winning. Okay, means it conveys the negative sense. Means there is very less chances of her winning. Ria has little chance of success. Now see B, a little. Now see what is the meaning of a little? A little means some quantity and it conveys the positive sense. Now see, for example, the woman has a little money left with her. A little money. Huh? The woman has a little money left with her. Not so much, but little money. Now see, next one. The little means not much, but all that is. Not much, but all that is. Means not having much money, but have some part of it is having. Now see, they spent the little money they had. In this sentence you can see they spent the little money they had. Means they are not having much money, but they are having little money. They spent the little money they had. So like this we can use little, a little and the little. Little conveys negative sense. Little means hardly any. Hardly any conveys negative sense. A little means some quantity. It conveys positive sense. And the little means not much but all that is. Okay. So have you understood this? Now we are going to solve exercise or question number G. See question number G, fill in the blanks. First, as I have dash dash into bracket a little bracket complete clarity, I need a little I need dash dash guidance. So I have already written the answers here. As I have little clarity, as I have little clarity, I need a little guidance. See, I have written here a little guidance. Okay. Now see the second sentence. We have dash dash work today. Many work today or much work today. So the correct answer is much. We have much work today. Our team has dash dash little oblique or little hope of victory. Our team has a little is the correct answer. A little hope of victory. Now see the fourth one. Now students see sentence number 4. The kind lady spent dash dash money she had on buying the beggar some bread. Into bracket the options are given here little, the little. So we will write here the little. And our answer will be like this. The kind lady spent the little money she had on buying the beggar some bread. Now see the next one. She wasted dash dash money she inherited. Okay. So she wasted little money. What we will write here? Little money. She inherited. Okay. So have you understood students how we have solved this question number G? Using little, the little, a little. Okay. So I hope you have understood all the meaning of these words or adjectives that we have learned today. Okay. So I just want to stop here and I just want to take your leave now. Bye for now and wishing you a very great day. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Bye.